Hello friends, Drew here up on a roof in Oxford. Let's show you why shingles blow off. This is a new shingle. That's the old shingle. See how high that nail is? See how it's in the very top edge of the shingle underneath? See where this one is below the tar line? How it's down there in the meat at the top edge of that shingle? Well, you come over to here to some of these other nails and look how high up that is. They're completely missing the shingle below it. So you don't have all 8 nails holding that shingle in, just 4. So here we go. High nail, high nail, high nail, high nail, really high nail. What in the world is going on up there? So how do we know the roof is getting near the end of its useful life? You can see how many of the stones are missing here. And of course, look down and look how thick the stone debris is in here. You know, half your roof is sitting here in this gutter right now. So much so that the downspout is completely packed over. And we've got a downspout draining onto the roof. Needs to get hard piped in. And we're losing shingles. High nail, high nail, high nail, high nail, high nail. That's why it's blowing off. So today's one of those days when the sun's gonna get home before I do. How old's your roof? Are you getting to the end of its useful life? Do we need to get out and take a look and take care of a couple shingles that blew apart and get you a quote for a new one? There's nothing our team doesn't do. Give us a call weekdays, 9:30 in the morning till 2 in the afternoon at 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for 𝗗𝘁'𝘀, your full service construction and renovation company. Remember, we're finished with it. We're proud to say it's not just done. It was 𝗗𝘁'𝘀. We look forward to serving you soon. Bye for now.